Hello guys, welcome back to the nursery with myself Tim. We're here in the middle of the outside area with a nice section of fresh product behind us. I'm going to go through a few bits here with you that we've handpicked from what the Looking Good list that is attached to. Very busy week. A lot of stuff has come on, both in growth and also a lot of product gone your way to the garden centre. So let's get going and have a quick look at some of these. So I'll start here with one of my favourite grass, the Uncinia. So this is a very nice sort of reddish green grass, so that's really nice variety. We've also got some nice dahlias on the list at the moment. So this one is Mystic Illusion, and this is the yellow. So you can just see that there's a really good crop of foliage on it, and that'll turn into a good crop of flower when the flower actually comes up on it. So there'll be a good show. To go along with it, we have a nice red in the form of Dreamy Lips. So again, there's about 8 or 10 buds on that there at the moment. So again, very good plants. There's a few others on the list, so just keep an eye on it. Some nice salvias available at the moment too. So we've got this particular one, Minact, which is the usual one we all recognise, and then we would have a few other salvias as well, which are new. I've down here. I have Hot Lips here, the garden sage. So we are the two-toned flower. I know there is a few other salvias on the list. I have an extra one here too, which is the Love and Wishes. So for me, this is a nice new favourite. Getting to like this one. A very nice performer and very showy flowers. While I'm on the bottom here, I have a few nice Alsomerias. I've got the nice variegated Rock and Roll with its red flowers, and I have a new one, Little Miss Zoe, which also has that nice variegation in it, but just not quite as striking. There are a few others, and just keep an eye on the list. So here in the middle, we've got a nice Lobelia. This is Queen Victoria, and this has the really nice purple foliage, and when it flowers then nice red, very striking red flowers. Very nice variety of Albrecia here in Kitty Blue. So you can see very nice sizable flowers, and nice foliage on it as well, and plenty of buds still to come there. We put out a new range of these Osteospermum Cape Daisies. So this one is Zanzibar. You see it's about to start to open, so it's a kind of a pale purple colour. I have another one here in Mazaru. You just see the nice vivid purple on those. So again, check out the list, and you'll see the various names there too. New Lichness, this is Petite Henri. So this is a white version of Petite Jenny. So you can just see it's nice double flowering. So Petite Jenny we have on the list too, but this is the double version. And I have the single version of that particular one here, which is the White Robin. So you can just see that has, again, plenty of flower coming, and very strong plants. A plant I like in the garden would be Chocolate Cosmos, mainly because of the colour of the flower, and also because of the scent. It smells of chocolate, so that's always a winner. Everybody loves chocolate. Some Camasias, but now only the white. So the white is just about ready to come into flower and about to open. So blue is no longer available. Some nice Polemonium here at the back. So I've got Bambino Blue. That is a very nice upright form of Polemonium. It's a Jacob's Ladder. So in the terms of grasses, there's a nice new one after going on the Deschampsia Tatra Gold, and just look at the colour of that there. That is very striking and really bright, especially up against any form of green foliage. That would really stand out in your garden. Couple of Heucheras available as well. So this is Black Beauty, and while Black Beauty isn't very dark at the moment, it will colour up considerably. We also have Caramel down here on the bottom, so you can just see the nice foliage on that there. A few little bits of peat on it, but that's very nice plants as well. A climber I like, and is just starting to come available. These I'm only starting to climb now. So this is the Tropiolum speciosum, the red flame creeper. So again, very nice for in hedges and the likes, and very popular plant. A lovely candelabra. It's time for Candelabra primula. So I've got the Miller's Crimson, the red version here. There's also a white version in Japonica alba available, so that's on the list as well. We also have a very nice selection of Agaranthemums. So this particular one is the red, but we have the white, the pink and the yellow there as well, all in double form. So they are really nice compact plants, and plenty of buds about to open on those. We decided this year to add a few extra Nemesias to our assortment. So this particular one is Karoo Dark Blue. So you can just see that it has some nice dark flowers on it, and again very, very nice foliage and nice full plants. So another good one to keep on your list. Nepeta is always a favourite of mine, so we've got Six Hill Giant. I picked this one off the list. There's a few others available, but Six Hills is, I think, one of the favourite ones of mine anyway, and it's nice and tall and shows a nice bit of colour on it as well. So, and I've just finished up here on a few last bits. So we've got the Rudbeckia Goldstrom, which is just starting to leaf out nicely in the pot and fill out. So that's another one to keep an eye on the list and stock up on. And the dwarf Buddleias, while I like these because they are not quite as tall growing as the others, but quite very showy in terms of flower. So this particular one is Buzz Lavender, and some very, very nice foliage on that. So guys, there's a little snapshot of some of the bits that we hand-picked out of the Looking Good list, which we've sent to you. Please take a look at it. It's going to be a busy week. We're leading on into bloom. Plants are going to the bloom gardens next week for planting in there, and so that we have the bloom show the following week. So please do take a look on the list. Some stuff could be limited, so do get your orders in early. Thank you very much.